Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you how you can generate any kind of images with AI prompts in a simple way. So just still around the full video and also see how I can generate any kind of images for you with just free prompts. Okay, and you can generate images with this site I already opened for free. Okay, so here you can see I already opened a site. First of all, you need to understand what is prompt and how you can generate prompt, and also I'll show you how you can sell this kind of images in various type of sites. Okay, so first of all, I will use ChatGPT to generate some prompts. Here you can see I already generated some prompts. Like I told ChatGPT that give me some nature image generation prompt, then it shows most of the information about prompts. Here you can see misty forest at down, mountain valley and others. Okay, you can generate any kind of prompts from the ChatGPT by your own idea. So here is the option. Let me copy one of the prompts here. Okay, I copied. Now I'll go to the website called imagine.art. Okay, here is the website. First of all, you need to enter this website, and after that you can see here is the create option. Just click on create, then this site will be opened, and here is the continue with Google or anything you can use. I'm opening with continue with Google and I already continued. Just you need to sign up here. Okay, because this site needs verification. So I'm a designer, or I can skip everything. Okay, you can skip everything like me, and here is the option. You can see I'll generate this kind of images with my prompts. I copied my prompt. Here is the prompt. Now I'll click on generate. Okay, you just click on generate, and after that here you can see the image are generating. Here you can see the image is generating. Can you see that? So my prompt is a dense forest shrouded in the morning mist with soft beams of sunlight filtering through the tall trees. This kind of. Here you can see here is the option, and if you click on the images, you can see this image is very clear and also like human eyes. Okay, so if you want to download this image, here is the option for download. The image is already downloaded, and here is the image from your gallery. Okay, now if you want to generate others image, now you can see here is the another prompts I already copied here. Just copy, and then here is the prompts option. Click on generate. You can see there is another option, and you can see insufficient token. So you don't need to purchase token here. You don't need to upgrade here. You'll just wait 12 hours. Then you can also generate others 2 images. Okay, and if you want, then you can use 5 others Gmail or 5 others account. Then you can generate 10 or 20 images at a day. Okay, here is the option. Here is the another image I already generated. Okay, here is the nature images. So now if you want to sell these kind of images with your expertise, then you can use Freepik and also Shutterstock. Here you can see Shutterstock. Freepik website allows us to sell AI related image also. Here you can see AI image generator, reimagine and upscale. So you can use this site for selling your AI images, and also Shutterstock allows us right now to AI generator image. Here you can see they already added here an option with AI related picture. Okay, so if you want to sell this kind of images by using ChatGPT and also imagine.art, then you can. Okay, so if you feel this is a very good information, then also hit the subscribe button. And if you want to do your website SEO with AI, then you can use also this tool called Boostify. Okay, boostify.com. This tool allow us to make our website rank higher on Google. Okay, so you can use this tool for your website and for your website rank. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Bye now.